My name's Lhaki Khendum Lama, and I'm studying Bachelor's of Structural Engineering, and I'm a student ambassador for 2026. So the reason why I chose to study in Australia is because I came to know that there are a lot of practical learning here and a lot of international opportunities for me, so that I get to explore more on the structural and the theoretical methods for civil engineering. What I've come to see is that EIT provides a lot of practical presentations and tests that we can conduct, so that we know what's happening in real life. It's not just about the theoretical analogies. So I think the structural analysis and the material testing made me feel like I was doing the engineering in the real life, because I came to know that a structure for the building, such as calculating and testing the beams and columns of the building, is the most crucial part, where it is the structural support for the whole building. So I got to use the software such as AutoCAD and some structural testings for materials, as I mentioned before, for the beams and steel, which also makes a big difference in real life. Learning from EIT made me understand that the engineers calculate and then do material testing for the structures. It's not just for the design, it's also for the structural integrity, to make sure that everyone using the building or the project, or everyone who helps build the project, is safe and meets up to the structural standards. So EIT really focuses on the practical and the design theories. It's not just based on all the theories, we also get opportunity to do testings that are used in real life, and we also come to know that there are a lot of internships provided by the EIT Institute. So on a weekly basis, we get to ask lecturers about any doubts we have through either after classes, or just email them and solve any problems that we have. We also have weekly quizzes that makes us keep updated with what we have learned, and we also helps us to go through all the lessons that we learned. Being on campus helps me get access to all the resources, such as the remote labs, where I can get to conduct tests or use for any of my projects and assessment. I also get to talk personally with the lecturers, where I can solve any doubts and clear any doubts that I have. In 5 years, I see myself as a structural engineer, where I can contribute and provide a safe structural project. I also want to improve my skills, where I just get better on what I'm interested to do. I'd say EIT stands out for me, and the reason why would be because they focus more on the real life basis, such as the testings that they do, and the learning that we do is not just based on the theory, but in actual real life. And they also have a very supportive staffs who helps the student feel very welcomed and comfortable.